Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.
Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Please Open My Apps to establish a connection with the server. Actually, I was the first to upload in YouTube how to fix this problem, and I have highest views in this topic in YouTube. But now this problem also happened with my cell phone. Recently, this problem happened with many smartphones, so you should know about it. You can watch my previous tutorial, this one on Samsung smartphone, but actually it doesn't matter what type of smartphone you used or not. There are same process for every kind of smartphones. My previous video was without voice, so I make this another one. Okay, let's see what problem actually happening with my smartphone. So therefore I'm gonna install an application from Play Store. Suppose I want to install PUBG Mobile. So just simply click on install. And as you can see, this error showing again and again and again. Not only PUBG Mobile, you can't install any kind of application from Play Store. So what should we do now? Just close this tab and go to your mobile settings option. Here go to apps or apps manager, whatever you have. And here find out Play Store application. Okay, once you found it, just open it. Then go to storage. And here first of all clear caches and then clear data. I hope in this way your problem will be fixed. But if it do not work for you, then update your Play Store application and go to software updates and update your Android system. Now again go to your mobile Play Store and search for your application which one you want to download or install. And as you can see, downloading started. I have fixed my problem. I hope in this way you can also fix your problem. If you want to get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.